Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kindling splitter that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Hickory Summit Kindling Splitter. The Hickory Summit Kindling Splitter is a must-have tool for anyone who loves to build a warm fire in their home. With its unique lever action design, this splitter makes it easy to get your fire started faster, without having to use a hatchet or hammer. This splitter makes quick work of heavy logs and can be used indoors or outdoors. It is made of galvanized carbon steel to provide excellent durability and rust resistance. It has notches that allow you to carefully and easily walk down the wood with the lever action, making the job even easier. In conclusion, the Hickory Summit Kindling Splitter is an ideal way to help get your fire up in no time. With its innovative lever action design, durable construction, and commitment to customer service, you can feel confident that you have made the right choice when purchasing this product. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kindling Cracker Kindling Splitter. The Kindling Cracker Firewood Splitter provides a unique, convenient, and safe way of making kindling for your fire. This splitter has no moving blade or sharpened object passing your hands, making it safer than using a standard axe to split firewood. You also don't have to worry about applying much force when using this splitter, thanks to its 6.5 inches. Inside diameter top ring, which requires less force than a regular axe. In addition, this splitter is made of high-quality cast iron in Australia to ensure durability and excellent performance. And owing to its virtually maintenance-free patented design, you can be sure that you won't have any issues with this splitter over time. With its user-friendly mechanism, the Kindling Cracker Firewood Splitter offers an easy and efficient way of splitting firewood into kindling pieces, even if you've never done this before. At number 3, we have the Mighty Hand Kindling Splitter. The Mighty Hand Kindling Splitter is an ideal tool for quickly and safely splitting firewood. This manual log splitter is perfect for home and campsite use, weighing in at just 13 pounds, and comes with a wide base and safety ring for added stability. This ensures that you can confidently split wood without fear of injury. In addition, the cast iron unibody design gives this splitter extra protection against wear and tear, so it will last over many recreational trips to come. The splitter also comes with 4 half-inch bolt holes, allowing you to securely anchor it to any flat surface. All of these features contribute to making splitting kindling faster, safer, and easier to use. At number 2, we have the High Flame Kindling Splitter. The High Flame Firewood Kindling Splitter is the perfect solution to the hassle of chopping wood into small pieces. With a unique design, it offers a fast and effortless way to quickly split wood into pieces that are ideal for wood stoves, fireplaces, and fire pits. This kindling splitter is easy to use and can be fixed on a wooden block or any other flat surface with its 4 bolt holes for enhanced stability. You simply balance the wood on the splitter and hit it with a hammer to get the desired kindling instantly. This is an incredibly safe way to chop firewood without any unnecessary risks. The attractive bright orange color along with the handmade powder-coated steel construction give this kindling splitter an elegant look. It's also lightweight and portable, weighing just under 10 pounds, and 9.5 inches in height. Overall, this kindling splitter is the perfect solution for anyone who needs something reliable and efficient for splitting firewood into small pieces. It offers great design, durability, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to make their life simpler and easier. And finally, at number 1, we have the BH Blue Home Kindling Splitter. The BH Blue Home XL Kindling Splitter is an excellent product for anyone looking to make kindling easily and safely. It allows the user to split logs without using a dangerous axe or heavy hammer. The XL unit has a 17-inch height and 10-inch diameter, giving it the capacity to handle much larger logs than traditional kindling splitters. Additionally, it is lightweight and portable, which allows for easy transport for either indoor or outdoor use. In addition to its size, this product is also incredibly durable. Made with high-carbon steel, it has shock resistance capabilities far greater than that of cast iron. Additionally, it is finished with an anti-rust black coating which will help prevent wear and tear over time. To further enhance user experience, a 5.5-pound sledgehammer is included in the package. This makes splitting logs even more efficient.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.